Hello and welcome back to another video demonstrating how to use the JSTOR database. So in that last video we saw this exact same home page and we searched using this bar right here, just putting in a keyword. This time we're actually going to use the advanced search. And on this page you can see there are a lot more options, a lot more ways to limit your results, and I'm just going to go through them for you. You can enter in keywords here, and then you can select by author, item title, abstract, or caption. You can also add search boxes, and you can choose the Boolean operators that you want to use. You can also select an access type, all content or content you can access. You can narrow it by the item type, by the language, by the publication date, and if you know the journal or book title, you can search using that, or if you even know the ISBN number, you can use that to search for your materials. And then here is a list of disciplines, and by using these little arrows, you can see exactly which journals you would be selecting, or if you want to just select the whole discipline, you can click the check mark. All right, and then there's another search button all the way down here. So let's go ahead and fill in some of these blanks with search terms. I'm going to use Jane Austen, and I'm going to use marriage market, and I'm going to use social capital. By putting these inside quotation marks, I've ensured that it doesn't just bring back the words marriage or the word market. It'll actually bring back marriage market as a whole phrase, and the same goes for social capital. I would like just content I can access, and I would also like it to just be articles. I'm going to select English. I'm not going to specify a publication date, and I don't know exactly what I'm looking for, so I don't have an ISBN available. And I could select a discipline or a specific publication, but I'm going to skip that for now. All right, so this was a very effective search because we just brought back 5 search results, and these are all journal articles that I can access, and they're all related to these search terms. Now, if you want to redo your search, you can select Modify Search to adjust some of your search terms. But if you are happy with the results you brought back, you can start diving into them to find material relevant to your research. So let's go ahead and click one of these results. You get the information about it as well. And then here is something that I didn't mention in the last video, but if you click on this, View Search Matches, you can see the pages with the search terms that corresponded to what you entered. That can be very useful if you're looking for a specific instance of the keywords you used. And then if you are logged into your JSTOR account, and you can do that by accessing it through San Jose State University, but you also have to create an actual account with JSTOR. You can save articles in your workspace. If you aren't logged in with your personal account, your workspace will preserve your selections for 2 days, but if you have an account, then you can just use this as a storage space for articles. And from here, you can create folders where you can sort your research materials. You can add notes to each entry if you need to say, this is for English 101 essay. And you can also generate citations. So here are the citations in MLA, APA, and Chicago. You can also export these out to RefWorks too, if you're using RefWorks more often. I should also mention on this results page, there are a couple little icons over here, thumbnails and references. And if you click on thumbnails, you can see thumbnails of all the pages in the article. And if you click on references, you get the number of references that they used, their notes, and their works cited. That can be useful if you're doing a lot of cross-referencing in your research. Hopefully this was helpful to you as you get a little more experience in JSTOR, and feel free to contact me with any questions that you might have, and good luck on your first research paper.